Hello everybody and welcome to Sustainable Smallholding France. And yes, that is a duvet you can see on my washing line. All is not as it seems, however. Last night I took this to an industrial washing machine because my washing machine isn't big enough to get this in. This is a king size duvet. So after having paid my €10 to have the wash and then brought it home, hung it out and it dried, I was dismayed to see that there are still stains now. Of course, when I'm looking for it, I can't find it. There it's there. I've taken out one stain and I'll show you the method. And I'm now going to take out this stain here. So, never let your guests put liquid makeup on in bed. The duvet cover is a patterned one, so the stain actually came out of that, not a problem, with a little bit of bicarbonate of soda scrubbed into it before the wash, but the quilt is proving difficult. So, it's hanging on the line because I can see the marks and know where to treat exactly. And my weapons of choice could be bleach, not an option. Bicarbonate of soda, this is my best friend in the house. And to get it going, this is a stain detacher. You would probably know it as varnish or, oh, I don't know, pink stuff maybe they use in the States. So, we're going to give that a little thing. I'm going to rub it in with my fingers, which is why I'm going to stop filming. And then I'm going to rub in the bicarb. I'm not going to use the bleach. And then I'm going to rinse it properly with water. And then I'm going to squeeze it out and let it dry. And you can come back and see the finished result. Okay. 10 minutes later, lots of rinsing to make sure the bicarb and the stain remover are out. Excuse the dogs barking, they want to come out and assist me. And I have tucked the end of that quilt so that it doesn't touch the wet part. And it is 29 degrees today. This will dry, probably in about an hour because it's quite wet. And I'm just going to show you, see if you can see it. That is what's left of the stain. Can you see that? So when it dries, I'll turn this over and the sun will bleach the rest. Watch the next little video to see the result. Okay, so here's the final video of getting the stains out the quilt. And to be honest guys, I had to really look for this because not only is it very bright, there, that is the mark, and I'm really pleased with that. So it's a bit of a faff and a bit of a hard work, but scrubbing with my hands at the little stain with the bicarbonate of soda and the stain remover and then rinsing it out and leaving it in the sun has removed the stain. I am very pleased.